In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change sidebar color in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about all of the colors related to the cyborg. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that as of today, according to my research, there is not any way to directly change the colors of your cyborg. So instead of doing this, because it is impossible, what I'm going to teach you how to do is how to customize your aura color. Essentially, you will be able to customize your aura color, and not only will this apply for the cyborg, but also any other race or fruit that you have on Blox Fruits. So, like I said, instead of covering the cyborg specifically, because there's no way to do this, I'm going to be talking about your aura. So to start, the aura system has changed. In order to change your aura or Haki color, you will need to visit the barista cousin. He appears in many different locations, and he is going to give you the recipes that you need to actually craft these colors. So look for the barista cousin, and you will be able to find them on many different locations, such as on the Forgotten Island, the Snow Mountain, Green Zone, Ice Castle, and so on. Once you find him and you bring him the necessary materials, usually this is going to be a bunch of berries, he will give you the recipe, and then you can talk to the actual barista. He is going to have this interface where you are able to choose any of the recipes that you see listed here. So each of these is going to relate to a specific color. You will see that some are related to quests, while others, like the bright yellow, will require the berries that I mentioned earlier. So make sure that you get the recipes from the barista cousin and then take them over to the actual barista. There are lots of colors to choose from, and as you can see, most of them will require around 1,500 fragments, and then the specific berry that you can find by exploring. Some of them are going to require only one berry, while others will require a mixture of berries or multiple of a single one. Some of these are going to be through quests, and others are going to be more expensive, depending on their rarity. So make sure that you acquire all of the necessary materials for a specific color, and you will be able to change it. I hope I was able to help you on how to change cyborg color Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.